Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple process of adding a chat shortcut in WhatsApp, so you can access your favorite conversations instantly without having to scroll or search every time. If you find yourself chatting with certain people or groups more often, this trick will save you time and keep your conversations just one tap away right on your home screen. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Wait for the app to fully load, and then navigate to the chat you want to make more accessible. This could be a friend you talk to daily, a family group, or even your work chat. Once you're inside that conversation, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots. This is the menu button in WhatsApp. Tap on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Scroll through them until you find the one that says Add Chat Shortcut. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. WhatsApp will now instantly create a shortcut for that chat. You'll notice a new icon has appeared on your phone's home screen, usually with the contact's name or group name under it. Now, whenever you tap that shortcut, WhatsApp will open directly into that conversation. No more digging around to find it. This is perfect for keeping your most important chats within easy reach. The great thing about this feature is that you can create shortcuts for multiple chats. If you have 3 or 4 conversations you use all the time, repeat the same process for each one. You'll have all of them right where you need them, saving you time and making your WhatsApp use so much smoother. And that's it. Adding a chat shortcut in WhatsApp is one of the quickest ways to make your messaging faster and more convenient. Try it out today and see how much easier it makes your everyday conversations.